Hi, if you want to turn off or reboot your Honor Magic 7 Lite, then we can do it with the help of accessibility menu. So to enable it, go in your phone settings. From here, choose accessibility features. And then in this list, select accessibility. After that, if you scroll down in this interaction control tab, you should see accessibility shortcut. So pick it. And now we need to select feature. So from here, choose accessibility menu. Here, confirm by tapping OK. And now simply enable accessibility shortcut. Now we got this little tutorial that we need to hold the volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds to activate accessibility menu. Let's tap OK. And now all we have to do is to hold volume down and volume up buttons at the same time for about 3 seconds. And now accessibility menu turned on. So you should see this person icon on the bottom of the display. Tap it and now you'll got this menu. So from here simply choose power and now you'll see this power off menu. And you got this option to decide whether you want to restart the phone or power off. To restart, just tap this option. To power off, tap that option. If you want to exit this menu, just tap any free space on the screen like that. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.